a quiet storm we find our place. In the rhythm of the rain, in love's embrace. With every drop that falls we trace the echoes of our hearts in a gentle grace.
We'll dance through the puddles with smiles so bright. In the symphony of the rain we'll take flight.
With every thunder's roar we'll hold tight. Our love will shine through the darkest night. In the echoes of the rain we'll find our song, a melody of love where we belong. With every heartbeat, with every refrain, we'll dance forever in the echoes of the rain.
Underneath the clouds, where the world is still, we'll find our peace, we'll drink our fill. In the whispers of the rain, our hearts will thrill. Together we'll climb love's highest hill. We'll dance through the puddles with smiles so bright. In the symphony of the rain we'll take flight. With every thunder's roar we'll hold tight. Our love will shine through the darkest night. In the echoes of the rain we'll find our song, a melody of love where we belong. With every heartbeat, with every refrain, we'll dance forever in the echoes of the rain. Silver droplets in the misty veil, we'll write our story in the rain's soft tale. With the echoes in the rain, our love won't fail. In every storm we'll set our sail. In the echoes of the rain we'll find our song, a melody of love where we belong. With every heartbeat, with every refrain, we'll dance forever in the echoes of the rain. So let the rain fall, let the heavens cry. In the echoes of the rain, our love will never die. With you by my side, we'll reach the sky. Together forever in love's lullaby.